hindi ko nakikinig kayo kasi para sa inyo din naman yan. Kaya napiling ko, may totoo na naman kayo kanina. At yun lang kanina kasi, pagka magmamabuhay, kasi di ba kayo tourism, kailangan meron siyang konting bend, bagyang magyalang. Kasi sabi ni Ma'am, di ba wala? Meron talaga siya.
By the way, our province, of course, well, is known for our Giant Lantern Festival. And we are also known.
Tapos tinatawag siyang Pidayid. Yung Pidayid po is called the Pampangan Lord ng Pitayid-Layid, which means sa Tagalog, pinagbubuong ito. And
Culinary center of the Philippines, but also the Christmas capital of the Philippines. We have the Giant Lanterns here in the province. So over here is it's just a village collection. Gitay is an old pattern that is putting different.
on this sidewalk, proper bonsai by Andy Bondo. And on the side, offer na siya.